Good day, ma'am, sir. I'm Ellen Vasquez Tan. I'm 45 years old. I live in Taguig, Philippines. I'm married and I have beautiful 6 children. 2 years course, graduate, computer programming. My height is 151 centimeter. My previous employer in Dubai, 2 years finished contract. My duty and responsibility is cleaning, ironing, cooking, and washing clothes. I'm willing to learn cook Chinese food and to take care of dogs and cats. And also, I'm willing to learn newborn baby to take care. And thank you, sir. And